alternating between unpacking and working this evening, and I'm finding shoes that I have not worn even though I bought them last year because of COVID. I've had not dressed up as much as I usually do, but I love them and I can't wait to wear them. So one of the perks of moving is finding things that you forgot you had. Sad that I didn't get to wear them this season, but there is always next year. I obviously love pointy shoes. Hey guys, I'm supposed to be working, but I'm going to show you just a few things. So my kitchen is a lot of wood and copper, and some black and brass pieces going through. But one of my favorite finds is this vintage copper dogwood plate. We're going to be repainting in here, so ignore the wall color, ignore the ugly appliances. Those are getting changed out tomorrow. But the cabinets are going to be black, and then I'm changing out this silver pole for the copper. So it looks bigger than the holes are, but so I wanted a larger look, but I didn't want to have to re-drill any holes, but they come out farther. So they're going to look like they're bigger, and these are going to go great with the copper accents that I have throughout the kitchen. Also forgot to show you guys the new faucet that Marco installed. It's Kohler and it's pretty neat. So normally I usually just see them go straight, down in a circle, but so this one, I don't know if you can see it. So it starts in a circle and then it fans out, which I honestly have really enjoyed using for the dishes. But we also decided now we're going to take out the cast iron sink for a deeper stainless steel sink that doesn't have the division because I don't use it and I hate it. So we're going to switch this to a single drain and put in a new garbage disposal, new sink as well, and then this will get installed back onto, and then our RO system that's going to match as close as I can to this will be taken care of hopefully before the end of 2021, but no, seriously, probably in the next couple of weeks. Here is our living room sofa. I had a yoga sesh over here. There is the coffee table for the living room. Still looking for an area rug. This case right here, I ordered some baskets. They're a black seagrass basket that are dyed black. So I'll be replacing those and moving these cubes into the laundry room on a stand that I ordered. And then the TV is likely going to get hung in this corner over here, so we'll have to rehome that cat tower to go somewhere else. And then this is still a mess here, but this is actually a nightstand, but I got it over here for our front door because we need to have stuff for the keys, the purses, and all that good stuff when we come in. So we actually have this exact set in the bedroom for our nightstands as well. And of course, this custom little pillow here, we got Marco and BB sleeping together. And then on the other side, it is a picture of me and Marco on our first new build that we did together. And then here is my vintage wool rug that I found up in Bend, Oregon. And then the French armoire that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I still haven't decided if I'm going to refinish it, put new hardware on, whatever. I have no idea yet. Here are the nightstands as well. Matches the table out in the living room. Utilized what I had because I ended up getting 3 of these instead of 2, so that was a shipping mistake, but they said just keep it. We don't want to deal with getting it returned. So that was awesome for me. I got a free stand out of that. Still got a mess and lots of organizing to do and some unpacking. Here are the Art Deco lamps that I ordered a while ago. So once this room is painted, this here is going to be our accent wall. It will be this dark green. It's almost black. I believe that's called black bamboo. So that will be this accent wall. So the nightstands, the lamps, the headboard, all of this is going to stand out real well. All right, you guys, it has been delivered. They showed up a little bit early and unannounced, so I wasn't quite prepared. BB, do you like it? Just don't scratch it, bud. I'm gonna replace the door pulls on all of them. So I'm probably gonna do that right now because I'm impatient, and start working on the laundry room because that's the mess, except for that stand. So it has some detailing on it. The knobs are a little bit too old for my style, so I am swapping those out. But I like the rest of the details, and I like the dark wood. I'm not much of a fan of lighter woods unless it's something extremely modern. So this is it. I love it. Can't wait to get it styled, hang up some art, get this room painted too. Speaking of, we've decided on this right. So today I'm bouncing back and forth between making the bed. I'm currently hanging curtains right now. That's some old bedding. And figuring out this whole laundry room situation. I think what I'm gonna end up having to do is moving the sideboard to this wall here and moving this laundry stand to here. That's not really what I wanted it, but even though I measured and everything, I thought I'd be okay with it. The door opens too close, and I would ideally like to have this over to about here and move the cat box. So this would really be the focal point when you walk into the laundry room. Because I wanted to actually wallpaper this whole wall, and then the rest of it would be the blue. So, I don't know. I'm messing with it. I'll figure it out.